What's the Tickle one on Netflix, the latest comedy show?
Tickle Fight?
Yeah. He's also on Netflix right now. That's the third time I've seen you with a comedy special. How many comedy specials did you do over the years?
I know, I lost track. 7 maybe? 6 or 7?
I've got to catch up on others. I've just had the top
you
3.
don't. It's all right.
Just to stay current.
No, comedy specials, everybody does comedy specials. They're not that special anymore, really.
I don't know. Yours are pretty funny. We were talking about it backstage.
Are they, though, really?
They really are.
I don't know. I mean, when I watch them, I'm like, heard it.
No, the Mick Jagger one, hilarious.
Oh, that's gone back a bit.
Oh, that's so
I still do a great Mick Jagger, though. That's right. Yeah.
Somebody opens the door, the words came out of his mouth and he couldn't stop himself. And he said, "Oh, you're adorable."
Well, he's only little. I didn't expect him to be little. It was Mick Jagger. I thought he was going to be huge. And he opened the door and I went, oh. He's only little. It was like, oh my gosh, look at the size of you. And then I said, "You're adorable." And I went, oh, shut up, Craig, shut up.
He's going to catch it back.
Yeah.
So the book just came out in the beginning of May. Make sure to pick up a copy of Craig's memoir. I still believe in books. It's so much fun to actually hold them and turn a page. This is fun too, but it is one that you can just go to and really, there's something in here that will connect with you. I know so many things did with me. Writing the Elephant is out there now. How do you write? Do you write on a computer or do you write with pen and paper?
You know, a big feathery pen. And, no, I have a computer.
Oh,
like that, but I
everything.
learned on a typewriter, so I go like this, and then I go, and then I break the computer, and I have to. It cost me $1 million probably to write that.
I still do everything with pen and paper. I have to start on pen and paper, or I get lost. You know, I just get so lost. It's like in the beginning when you were talking about how you thought they were taping your last show, but it had probably been digital for years.
Yeah, I used to always say, you know, like, oh, we're going to tape the show. When's the last time you used tape in here? Like, cameramen are like, we don't even know what that is. There's no tape anymore. It's just
I don't even have
look at these cameras. Inside that camera is a phone. There's just a phone. They just put that. This is for you. This is part of the, you know, it's the whole Matrix thing to keep you happy. It's just an iPhone.
It's just a little thing this big.
Yeah, it's like the big wheelie thing to make it look like it's the 1950s.
To give it some nostalgia.
Yeah,
some
make it look like real TV.
Yeah, exactly.